Food Nutrients, Functions, and Importance in a Healthy Diet with Coach. Let's call on Coach Elizabeth Cadaw. Coach Elizabeth.
Hello, good morning, good morning. Mag-practice akong mag-share.
Okay. Sige, sige, Coach. Kaya mo yan.
Saan na yun? Nakikita na.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Maximize mo lang, Coach. Ayan.
Mhm. Okay, so once again, magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. So I am Elizabeth Cadaw from Baguio City and I used to be an elementary school teacher. Asan na yung mukha ko dyan? Wala yung mukha ko. Okay, sige. Hindi ko yata nalagay yung story ko, yung mukha ko dyan. Okay, so, and Herbalife was introduced to me by a friend last 2004 when I'm recovering from dengue. And at that
Ibalik mo
time,
lang
I
yung
have a...
slide, Coach. Ibalik mo yung slide.
Oh, asan? Sandali ha.
Ibalik mo yung slide mo.
Hindi
Arrow
ko
left.
arrow left. Wala akong makitang arrow left. Ayaw?
Nakikita ang slides
Oo, yung mukha ko kasi ang wala. Di bale, nakikita ako dito sa harap na. Okay, so again, so Herbalife was introduced to me by a friend last 2004 when I'm recovering from dengue. And at that time, I have a very low energy. I have a very poor eating habit. Hindi nakakatulog, kaya haggard ang itsura. And the worst is, I have a very low self-esteem because of how I look. Maraming pimples. And I thank God I found a solution in Herbalife products and drinking our healthy breakfast products and some of our tablets, I regain my energy, nakakatulog na ako ng mahimbing, and nag-dry yung mga pimples ko. So, nabuhos ang aking self-esteem. And my bonus, nag-gain ako ng 8 kilos. And my favorite products are the Aloe, Tea, Shake, yung Rebuild, yung vitamins mineral,
Miss
yun yung
Beth, walang picture dito para
pinaka-anti-stress
sa ano,
ko.
slides.
Yung Herbalife line, yung Nightworks, yung Ocular Defense, Fiber Band, Cell Complex, and then yung Active Fiber and Immulif. And yung mga outer skin natin, yung Soothing Gel at saka Aloe Wash. Okay, so ito na yung topic ko. Okay, so this is our topic for today. It's about the food nutrients and their function and importance in a healthy diet. So, araw-araw, our bodies need certain amounts of nutrients that are found in different foods. And in order for us to maintain a healthy diet, it's important to recognize yung mga significance of yung mga food nutrients. So, ano ba yung mga food nutrients na kailangan natin? Actually, nabanggit na kanina dyan sa ating healthy breakfast by our coach, Filma. Okay, so, saan na? Okay, yan. Ang first na food nutrients ay yung protein. So, protina. It is the first solid component in our body and it is an essential nutrients which play a vital role in building and maintaining body tissues while providing energy and supporting metabolism. And your body is constantly assembling and then breaking down and using protein. Kaya importante na magdagdag ng sapat na protina in our diet every day to replace yung mga nagamit na natin. So, ang suggestion ng ating mga doctors and scientists is up to 30% of your daily calorie intake. Okay? Bakit? Kasi ito po yung mga benefits ng mga protein. Ayan, nakasulat na dyan yung iba. It can satisfy hunger also, yung maintain muscle mass, and it gives us energy. And also, it supports our immune functions. And at saka it is beneficial to our hair, yung skin natin, and then yung nails. Okay, so saan ba natin makukuha ang mga protina? Okay, nandyan sa picture kanina, di ba? Yung mga fruits and vegetables. And then another one is yung itong mga products natin. Okay, yung itong shake. Okay? Pero pag hindi yung shake, yung animal base, yung mga poultry, yung dairy, yung fish at saka yung eggs. And then also yung mga nuts. Then lentils, beans, including yung soybean o kaya yung tofu. And then ayan, itong mga powders and shakes, yung ano yun, yung shake kanina, and then itong PPP, personalized protein, and then another one is itong high protein. Nabanggit na yung mga benefits ng mga ito, di ba? And then yung rebuild na paborito ni Coach Cecil. And then yung isang nutrients na kailangan natin ng ating katawan is yung carbohydrates. Okay, so your body prefers another micronutrients which is itong carbohydrates. So saan ba natin ginagamit yan? It's for our fuel or for energy. So it's important to get enough every day. And this is another crucial nutrients that serves the primary source. Yung sinabi ko kanina na fuel for our bodies, particularly during our exercise. May dalawang category ito, yung complex carbohydrates, ito yung healthiest carbs. This take more time to digest and it gives more time for energy and it makes us feel full. And this contains yung mga fiber, vitamins, minerals, and then yung phytonutrients. Okay, saan natin makukuha? Sa mga fruits, sa mga vegetables, sa mga whole grains, including yung whole grain breads, yung pastas, yung cereals, and then yung brown rice. And also, andyan yung mga colorful fruits and vegetables which supplies needed antioxidants and phytonutrients. And then meron tayong yung mga bad carbs na sinasabi. Ito yung mga simple carbohydrates which it can give us quick energy pero mas matagal yung complex energy. Okay? So, wala silang nutrients. Wala tayong nutrients na makukuha dyan. So ito yung mga sources, yung mga sweets and sugars, yung mga white breads and rice, and then yung soft drinks also, and then yung mga cakes and cookies. So we are encouraged to incorporate healthy carbs in our diet. So our scientists recommended that we should get about 40% of your daily calories from the complex carbs, not the simple carbs because they have no fiber, vitamins, or minerals. So try filling half of your plate with salads and vegetables, and then have fruits and vegetables for snacks, and also use whole grain breads for sandwiches. And another source dyan sa ating products is yung shake. Okay? Yan. And then another nutrients is yung fats. Yung healthy fats. So fats are a very concentrated source of calories. So which is why the Herbalife nutrition philosophy recommends that we should limit our fats to 30% or less of your daily calorie intake, okay? So healthy fats has several functions in our daily diets. It can contribute to our brain function and overall well-being and also our nervous system. And it can help absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, and then it adds flavor to our foods, and then it keeps also our eyes, our skins, our bones, and nails healthy. Okay, so it is an important source also of our energy. Okay, so we have our healthy fats. Saan nanggagaling ang mga healthy fats? Ang mga healthy fats comes from the unsaturated fats gaya ng olive oil, yung mga nuts, and then yung mga avocado. Okay, and then fish oil, these are the fatty acids found in fish called yung omega-3s. They are considered essential fatty acids because our body can't make them, okay? Hindi tayo nagpo-produce ng fatty acid. And they support the function, yung nasabi ko kanina na they support the function of the brain, the heart, and the nervous system. Kaya lang, ang problema is nakakarami tayo ng intake sa omega fatty acids so which comes from oil and fried foods. Kaya sa omega-3 parang hindi balance, mas marami yung kung baga ito yung omega-6 and then ito yung omega-3. So to balance it, we should keep fat intake down para may balance, and then avoid yung mga fried foods, and then yung mga bake, roast, broil, or steam your food. I-steam nyo yung mga food nyo. And then go easy on sauces, yung mga graves, yung mga salad dressings, yung mga mayonnaise, butter, and margarine. And then try also yung mga non-fat versions of foods, gaya ng milk, yung mga yogurt, and then yung mga spreads, salad dressing, and snack foods. Okay? So, let's incorporate healthy fats in our diet. We should have fish a few times a week and then a handful of nuts of some of or yung mga avocados or yung mga salad. Okay, hindi porke healthy fats yon kainin natin yung isang bowl, handful lang. And then yung use olive oil in cooking. Okay, so if we don't eat much fish, we have the Herbalife line that provides us the omega-3. Okay, yung product natin, ito po yun. Okay? Okay, and then another one is yung fiber. Okay, so fiber is an essential for healthy digestion and for keeping the digestive system balanced. Okay, it helps to move foods through the digestive tract, and also it helps you fill up and promotes the growth of friendly bacteria in the digestive tract. So, yung mga sources po, nandyan yung mga pictures, yung mga whole fruits, yung mga vegetables, yung whole grains, yung beans, oats, pasta, whole wheat bread, and then yung nuts, yung seeds, and then yung mga brands. Okay, so these are the best sources of dietary fiber. But if you can't get the recommended 25 grams every day, you can work in our fiber supplements. Gaya ng mga ito, yung fiber and herb, yung fiber band. This can help this is all for our digestive support. And then we have the Simply Probiotic. And then another one, yung pinakabago is yung active fiber. Okay? So, tanungin lang sa mga sponsors nyo. Okay? So, by understanding the rules of different food nutrients and making mindful choices, we can achieve a nourishing and balanced diet. Okay? So, as I have said kanina, kung hindi natin nakukuha sa mga fruits and vegetables, sa mga fish, yung mga nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan, ito po yung mga product ng Herbalife that can provide you yung 30% fats, yung 30% protein, and yung 40% carbohydrate. So, thank you, thank you. That's all with my topic. Kung may mga tanong kayo, just ask your sponsors. Thank you so much.